Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we'll see how to change the application icon on the Samsung smartphone with different icons from various icon packs. You can change this icon directly in the default Samsung One UI launcher without using a third-party launcher. And in the latest update, you can also change the icon in each application with a different icon pack. And it can also be directly from the photos in your smartphone gallery. Okay, now let's see how to change the icon and some tips on how to make your home screen looks more elegant. The first thing we have to do when you want to change the look of the icon is to prepare the icon pack that you want to change. You can search for the look of the icon pack that suits your taste directly on Google Play Store. You can open Google Play Store, then just type the icon pack. Here we use a new method which can change the look of the application icon from several different icon packs. So you can download some icon packs that you like from this section. Then you can directly download the latest version of Theme Park application, which is 1.0.9.23 version. For the download link, you can directly check the link in the description of this video. Then after successfully downloading and installing the Theme Park application, you can immediately open the application and open the icon tab. In the Theme Park menu, we have previously tried to create several different icon pack theme according to the theme that we want. So later you can create different icon theme like this, and to move from one icon theme to another, you just have to choose the icon theme that you want. To create a new icon theme, you can select it on the icon tab, then click on create new. In the create new menu, you will find new settings in the three dot option at the top right corner. In the latest version of Theme Park, you will find the option to change the icon at the top right. Here you can select change icon and you can choose which icons that you want to change one by one. For example, if you want to change the look of the Google Maps icon, you just need to click on the Google Maps. Then you can change the look of the icon through the icon pack that you have downloaded earlier. Here we choose the festival icon pack. From the icons here, you just have to choose an icon that matches the map icon. You can just type Google Maps, and here you can find several icons for Google Maps application which you can choose from the icon pack earlier. Here we just need to select one of the icon that we want to choose. And the look of the Google Maps icon in the icon theme that we've created has changed to this new icon. And now by using this new feature, you can change the look of the app icon one by one based on different icon packs. For example, for the Google Maps icon, we have chosen it from the festival icon packs, and for other application icons such as the contact application, we can choose from different icon pack. For example, we choose the Occupy icon pack, and here you can directly search for the contact and you can directly select the contact display with the new icon that you like. Here let's choose one of this icon, and now the look of the contact icon will be changed to the new icon from the Occupy icon pack, and the Google Maps icon can be changed to the icon from festival icon pack. So in this latest update, you can change the entire look of the icons on your smartphone based on different icon packs according to whatever icon packs that you have. To speed up the process of changing icon, we can first select one of the icon packs for the basic look. Here we just go back to the previous menu, then tap on this icon pack label and select an icon pack that we want to apply. For example, here let's choose Revolution icon pack. Then we can immediately change the icons one by one in this change icons option. In this menu, if there is an icon from Revolution icon pack that doesn't suit your taste and you want to change it to another icon pack, you can directly click on the application icon and then you can choose another icon pack. And you can directly select another look for your app icon. And then you can just go back and save the new icon theme by clicking this down arrow button. Then just type a name for your new icon pack theme. You just need to write down the name of the icon pack and click the OK button. And now the application icon theme that we just created earlier is immediately available in the icon tab menu in the Theme Park application. After that, we can directly apply the new icon theme that we've just created. We can directly tap on the Revolution theme, then click the apply button in the lower right corner. And now the entire app icon look on your Samsung smartphone will immediately change to the look of the Revolution icon pack, and also change to another icon pack based on your previous setting. So later on, you can easily change the look of the icons directly in the default stock launcher on your Samsung phone. After changing the look of the icon from the new icon theme, now you can also change the color palette according to your own theme or current use wallpaper. You can choose the wallpaper directly from the Santertainment wallpaper application if you want the same wallpaper that we use in this video. You can also choose other wallpapers from this application for the theme that you're currently using. There are many cool and awesome wallpapers from this application that you can apply right away. After applying the color palette, you can also directly match the color palette according to the current used wallpaper. You can directly press and hold on an empty part of the home screen, then click wallpaper and style. And in this color palette menu, you can choose the color palette look according to the wallpaper that you currently used. And now the colors from the color palette on your smartphone will immediately adjust to the color of the wallpaper you are using. And later, after creating several icon themes, you can immediately change the look of the icon directly in the theme park application. All you have to do is select the icon theme that you have created before, and then click apply button in the lower right corner. And then the appearance of the application icons on your Samsung smartphone will be immediately changed according to the icon theme that you've just applied. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and also subscribe so you'll be notified when there is a new video from this channel. If you have any questions or comments, you can write them in the comment section down below. Or you can also ask in our Telegram channel, or you can directly DM us on our Instagram account @Santertainment. See you in the next video.